Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can open and edit Word documents on your iPad. So let's begin the video. In order to open and edit Word documents on your iPad, you need to have a free app which is called Pages. So it is pre-installed on your iPad. However, if it is not present, you can simply open the App Store and download the Pages app. Once you have the Pages app, you need to first of all know where your Word files are present on your iPad. So in most cases, it's going to be in the Files folder, and from here you need to tell where your files are present. So you can click on this menu button, and here you will see the menu where your files are present. So in my case, I know it's in iPad, and I have this files folder where I have my Word files present. After that, open the Pages app, and from here all you need to do is to click on this button right here. Again, you're going to browse for your Word file that is present on your iPad. In my case, it was present here in the files folder, and here I have my Word file. So now you can see it has successfully opened my Word file. Now if I want to edit it, I'm going to click on the edit button present on the top right side, and now if I click on any text, I can fix it, like this spelling mistake right here. If I want to change the size of any font or to do any formatting, on the top right I have this brush icon. From here I can change the font style to anything that is present right here. I can change the font color to my choice, so I can go to the colors, I can even set it to bold, etc. And once I have done all my changes, I can click on this button, and now it should be automatically saved. If I want to share it, I can click on this share button right here, and I can actually airdrop it, share it via messages or any other app that is present on your iPad. And if you want to save it as a file, you can just click on save to files. You can browse wherever you want to save. In my case, I'm going to save in the same folder, and you can click on the save button and the file will be saved on your iPad. So this is how you can open and edit Word documents on your iPad. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and enable bell notifications. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.